Former U.S. Open quarterfinalist and former junior number 1 Anna Konjuh recently updated her fans about the elbow surgery she recently had. The Croat, who has been ranked amongst the top 20, has had her career growth halted due to injury, but that is not stopping her from taking strides. She admitted that the recovery is slow and long and does not have a return date set. This is the message she posted on Instagram. "It's been a while since the last time I posted anything. A majority of you know I've been having elbow problems the last few years. I've done some procedures on it, took some time off, basically tried everything that could have helped me to play tennis with no pain. But as it turns out, it wasn't enough. The few matches I played this year were okay, manageable, but the pain came back strong a few days ago. After many considerations and doctor's visits, I decided to give it one last try and do the ulnar collateral ligament reconstruction." She further added, "The recovery will be long and slow. I don't really have a time frame on when I'll be back. After the first few months of normal protocol for rehab, most of it will depend on how my elbow is reacting afterwards. Yeah, I guess we will have to see how it goes." She ended by saying, "Just wanted to thank you for continued support, and I promise I'm gonna try to come back even stronger. Can't wait to get back on the court."